Even with the rain we've been seeing, our region is still at risk of wildfires. News Channel 11's Kristen Gallant to learn more about how the Virginia Department of Forestry is taking precautions to prevent wildfires.
Justin, the Virginia Department of Forestry has called in a special team to help spread the word about fire protection. Even with the recent rain, the department says the potential for fires is still there.
The Virginia Department of Forestry has no burning restrictions in the fall. However, most of the counties in Southwest Virginia have elected to put in a burn ban.
Those counties include places like Washington, Russell, and Buchanan counties.
Because although we've had some rain recently, it's still very dry in the wood.
So the Virginia Department of Forestry has decided to call in extra resources to help.
The U.S. Forest Service or the state Forest Service, they have the option of calling in a national prevention team, which helps them get the message out to the public.
The team is made up of 4 members who inform the public about the dangers of disobeying those burn bans.
Our danger for wildfire is still high in the area. I know we're being fortunate. We've got some moisture that's come into the area today, but long term we still are in drought conditions here.
The wildlife prevention team saying even if your area isn't under a burn ban, to still be vigilant when starting fires.
And when you go to leave that area, make sure that it's total out and dead, and you can do that by pouring water on it and stirring it. And then make sure you fill it. You just touch it to make sure it's cool. If it's not cool to the touch, you can't leave it.
The Department of Forestry measures drought conditions with the Ketchum-Byram Drought Index, which is measured on a scale from 0 to 800, with 800 being desert-like conditions. Currently, Virginia is at 590.
It's a long way from being safe to burn at this time. Right now, the fine fuels such as pine needles, the grasses, and the leaves are wet and saturated, but a couple of days of sunshine and wind will dry those out quickly.
Miller says some areas of Virginia need almost 6 inches of rain to get the soil saturated again. The Department of Forestry and the Wildlife Prevention Team working hand in hand with volunteer fire departments and reminding people if they see anything suspicious, say something.
I would encourage members of the public, if you see something that causes you concern, you feel that it's a wildfire or a threat to a possible wildfire, don't wait, call 911.
And according to the Virginia Department of Forestry, places like Abingdon has already had 75 fires since the beginning of 2020, burning over 840 acres. Justin?